G'day guys. Well, it's a wrap on our Moffat Beach project. We've got a little bit of work to do here after Christmas, but tell you what, I'm over the moon. The clients started moving in, and everybody involved in this project has done an incredible job, from Kirk, the architects, Karen and the team there, come up with an incredible building. My entire carpentry team, my lead carpenter on site, Brad, my supervisor, Todd, my wife, Camille in the office, our contracts and accounts manager, Sharon, just everybody has done such an incredible job. It's been a very time-consuming job, but yeah, look, the finished product speaks for itself. It's literally like you're living in a piece of artwork. Can't thank all of our suppliers enough. The guys that delivered the CLT, XLAM, Duayne, the guys from Deuce Timber Doors and Windows, all of our trades, the guys at Chase Wilson, our Sparky, Rob, Charge Electrical, Dan, Premium Plumbing. Yeah, I know I'm going to miss some guys. Shane and the guys that do our tiling. Just everybody has really put in an effort on this job, and the detail and the finished product absolutely speaks for itself. So it has been an absolutely stressful, hectic last couple of months trying to get this job to a position where the clients could move in. The civil contractors have been on site this last week. They have absolutely smashed it out. The guys from Actron, will definitely use them again. Our initial contractor pulled out of the job, really put us in a pickle, and like that civil work should have been done like 7, 8, 9 months ago, and we've literally only just had it done now. And that's the thing that has stopped us actually being 100% completed on this project for Christmas. But yeah, look, we've got the clients in the house. They can move in, they can spend Christmas here. Now that civil works have been completed, we've basically got 3 to 4 weeks left after Christmas. So we've just got to come back, got to finish a very small little bit of the retaining walls, a couple of fence panels, and pour the new driveway, plant a couple of plants, put some turf on the footpath, and that's it, we're out. So look, follow the rest of this video. I hope you love the pictures and the video of this project. I absolutely love this home. We've nicknamed it the Ark because there is so much timber. But actually another Kennedy's, the guys at Kennedy's Architectural Timbers, like the materials, all the tallow wood that they supplied on this job in every size, shape that you can imagine, from the cladding, the stops, the front terrace seating, the front stairs, the internal tongue groove flooring, like you name it. It's yeah, I'm super pumped. If you watch the videos on this job, there's been a few videos where I've been a bit down. It has been a very time-consuming and very stressful job for most people involved in this job. But to be at this point now, the client's over the moon, the architect's happy, and yeah, I'm just absolutely pumped. This house will be standing here. Probably the thing that I'm most proud of is the quality of this job, the materials that have been used, the quality of the craftsmanship to put this home together, the engineering, the guys from HR Design. This home will be here in 100, 200, 300 plus years. Like, if anyone ever tries to knock this house down, seriously, they're going to have a mission on their hands. But yeah, this home is going to be standing for a very, very long time. It's going to be a landmark home in this location. So yeah, hope you love it. Give us some feedback. And look, as always, if you've got any questions, make sure you shout out.